4 websites that you can use to start promoting your CPA offers today. And this is XP Marketing with another video. Alright, the number 1 website that I'm going to recommend for absolute beginner is going to be YouTube. Alright, and the reason I'm recommending YouTube as the number 1 is because of the huge traffic that it gains every month. Alright, by now you should know YouTube is the second most visited website in the world aside from Google. So if you go to YouTube, there are a lot of ways you can promote your CPA offers on YouTube. But the first thing and the most important thing you want to keep in mind before promoting any offer on YouTube is don't spam. Alright, don't spam, because if you try to spam your comments, it's either YouTube deletes your account or they shadow ban you. And if they shadow ban you, it means you are going to be the only one seeing your comments, but nobody else will see it. So that is absolutely pointless because it doesn't make any sense. You post the comments and nobody is seeing it except you, right? So the number 1 thing you want to keep in mind is you don't want to spam on YouTube, and that also goes for Google as well. So when I say Google, I mean Blogger. Everybody already knows Google is the owner of Blogger website. I think I might make a future videos dedicated to promoting CPA offers using Blogger alone. So stay tuned for that video. I was saying YouTube and Google are very notorious for detecting spam. So these two websites, you don't want to spam at all. Alright, you want to make sure you give value before you post your links. I made a video a couple days back talking about how to promote effectively on YouTube, which is you want to make sure you watch the video before you leave a comment, at least for a minute. You don't need to watch the video. You don't need to watch all the video. You can just watch a minute or 2 of that video and then leave a comment that is related to the video. That way, those who are also watching the video, if they see your comments, they would know that this is a real comment. They won't look at it as a comment that is trying to spam their links and all that. So once you leave a reasonable comment, then you can use another account to leave a link. You don't want to use the main account to leave a link because it will also look like you are trying to spam your link around. Just use another account to leave a link. Of course, you want to make sure when you are leaving a link, you are leaving a link that is related to that video, so that others that are coming to that video, so that others coming to watch that video, you have a good chance that they might click on that link and complete your offer. So that is for YouTube. The second website that I'm going to recommend for anyone starting out is Twitter. Alright, Twitter is also very, very powerful, right? Twitter is also one of the most active websites in the world. As you can see, this is if you go on Twitter now and you search I want to lose weight, you will literally see someone who posted this exact phrase, within minutes. I'm not talking about hours, within minutes. As you can see, this person posted that they want to lose weight just 23 minutes ago. Alright, just as the same thing as I said previously about YouTube and Blogger, you don't want to come to Twitter as well to spam your links. You want to make sure you engage, with the comments. You want to make sure you engage with the tweets and not trying to spam your link. Alright, you want to talk about the tweet and then you want to leave a good and reasonable tweet as well. This tweet, for example, this tweet is saying, I want to lose weight. You can just come up saying, you understand what you're going through. You've been trying to lose weight yourself and it has been really, really difficult. But lucky for you, you came across a PDF that has really, really helped you, and you don't mind sharing it with them if it's going to help them as well. Something like that, something genuine and something, relatable. Just that the type of comments and the type of tweets that are going to work for you as a beginner, right? You just don't want to go to any tweet and drop your link. Nobody's going to click on the link, alright? Because if you if you see someone spamming links around, you are not going to click on the link. And if you are not going to click on the link, then don't expect others to click on spammy links as well. You want to make sure you add value to any post before dropping your link. Alright, and talking more about Twitter, there's a website called RightTag. I think I made a video using this website in one of my previous videos. You can go check it out, or I might leave the link up here, right? So if you come to RightTag, they literally have a lot of keywords that you can use when you want to make any tweets, and they are going to show you how many tweets this keyword gets in an hour, right? So like I said, I'll leave a video in the description or above this arrow in the card above, so you can go watch that video in depth. All right, and the third traffic source that I'm going to recommend for absolute beginner is going to be Facebook. And just like Twitter and YouTube, you don't want to spam on Facebook as well, because Facebook also doesn't tolerate spammy links. And for instance, let's say you want to promote a weight loss offer or a weight loss content locker, you want to make sure you join relevant Facebook groups. So after joining that group, you don't want to spam your links right away. You want to make sure, wait for at least a day or two before you start promoting your link. And while waiting a day or two, you want to make sure you are interacting and engaging with other posts in the group. You don't need to write a long post. You can just make it short and memorable, right? Any post that is being posted on that group, you can just leave a good comment. That way you even get likes, and some people might share your comments and all that. So those are the things you need to do when you join a Facebook group. You can also look at the group. You can look at what are the type of posts people are posting in this group, right? So if you post that kind of group, definitely whenever you decide to start promoting your links, the admin of that group would not disapprove your post, because they already know and trust you, and then they know you are not coming to the group to spam your links. So that is how you need to approach Facebook, right? So that's all the 4 main traffic sources that I recommend for any beginner starting out. And also you don't want to promote your CPA offers across this website at the same time. I would recommend that you stick to one traffic source, and master it, get used to it, maybe for a week or two before you move on to another traffic source. If it's not working for you, then you can try another traffic source rather than trying to promote your CPA offers across all these websites at the same time. So that will be all for this video, and if you find any value at all in this video, then don't forget to leave a like on the video and look around the channel. You'll definitely find other videos that might interest you. And I've been saying that I'll catch you in the next video.